Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I got some new federal tires for my Alfa Romeo, but this time I'm going with a Meaty setup. For the rears, I'm going to be running a 305 3019. On the fronts, I'm going to be running a 255 3519. And currently on my Alfa Romeo, I believe I'm running a 275 3519 on the rears, and on the fronts I think it's a 235 3519. Hopefully I get this installed today. It's currently 4:38. The tire shop closed at 5:30. Hopefully I can make it. It's not even that far. It's only like 10 minutes away from here. So I'll just see you guys once I get this installed. Just want to show you guys the final look on my current setup. Yeah, it is a 275 3519, and I said a 235 3519 on the front. Let me see. Yeah, I was right. 235 3519. Sometimes I get them confused because I'm running federal tires as well on my BRZ. So here's how it looks, guys. I can't wait to put on the 305s and then the 255s on the front, and I'll show you guys how bad my tires are, especially the rears. It has to go. Look at that. It's bald, guys. Look. Got the tires all loaded up in my car. Just got to the tire shop here at AJ's. So here it is. Can't wait how it's gonna look. Guys, it's all done. What do you guys think? God damn, look how meaty the rears are. Oh, look how it's sticking out. 305 3019. God damn. Sheesh. In the fronts, I'm loving this. 255 3519. Look at that. Damn. Car is dirty. I still need to wash her, but look at how it looks. Shout out to AJ Tires for installing my tires.
1 hour later.
So here's a closer look. What do you guys think? I freaking love the new setup. The 255 3519 on the fronts and the 305 3019 on the rears. Sheesh. I freaking love the rear end. Ooh, look at that Meaty setup. Ooh, look at how it sticks out. God damn, look. Look, if I go on top, look how it sticks out. That 305. God damn. Look how meaty that thing is. Sheesh. Look at that. Woo. Freaking love this new setup. Comment down below, guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the old setup or this new setup?